In this video, we'll show how to install the Remoran Wave 3 hydro generator. Begin by measuring the location of the mounting rail on the transom. The rail should be positioned as low and as near to the center line of the transom as possible. Not in the exact center though, as turbulence from the rudder may negatively impact the power production. The generator needs to have space to turn freely when the angle has been adjusted to the correct position. This means the mounting rail has to be installed low enough. The reinforcement plate needed to install the mounting plate should be made from plywood. The reinforcement plate supports the mounting rail's bolts inside the boat. The rubber mat included in the sales package can be used to help mark the locations of the holes. Mounting holes are drilled in the transom. The rubber mat can again be used to mark the holes. The mounting rail parts are assembled in preparation for installation. It's recommended to use a safety lanyard during the installation. First, slide the bolts into the slot of the rail. Then place the rubber mat on top. Add plenty of sealant to the bases and threads of the bolts. Place the reinforcement plate onto the bolts inside the transom. Add the rubber washers, metal washers, and nuts. Find a suitable location on the transom or nearby on the deck, where the generator's cable can reach. Drill a hole for the connector. Make sure the connector has enough space in the selected location. The connector cannot be turned after installation, so the orientation must be planned carefully. Add sealant to the connector's base. It's important to leave 20 centimeters free space above the charger for cooling. The leads are connected to the charger. Battery cables lengths should be kept as short as possible. Connect the numbered generator cables to the terminals with a matching number. Take care to match the plus and minus battery cables to the corresponding screw terminals. Install a 40 amp circuit breaker near the battery or main switch on the red battery cable. Clamp the ferrite filter onto the red battery cable. The ferrite, which is included in the sales package, needs to be installed as near to the charger as possible. The turbine is attached by rotating it until the wedge finds its slot and then sliding it towards the generator. To attach the turbine, you'll need the bolt and 2 washers from the sales package. Use blue thread lock to secure the attachment. When the turbine is correctly attached, a 2 mm gap will remain between the turbine and the generator. First, adjust the length of the outboard unit. Remove the locking ring and the pin and adjust the unit to a suitable length. Lock the length by reattaching the pin and ring. Attach a safety line to the outboard unit to make sure the unit is not lost if it falls into the water. Do not attach the line to the handles or other movable parts. The charger is turned on by using the circuit breaker. After the charger is on, you can establish connection using Remoran app. The installation is now complete. More information is available on our website at remoran.eu.